Hey man, you know where you watch? Dancehall skilla.
Watch it. Strong on them, you know. Don't want to get up more. Why you get up more? Strong on them, you know. Don't want to get up more. Don't want to get up more. Yeah, alright, sir.
Hey, Wagwan, Dancehall skilla here again. Blessed manners and respect to each and everyone. I'm going to present a certain amount of videos still. I just presented to you a video that shows some things that happened when at least one person was being detained by police within the country of Jamaica. Viewers and subscribers, I'm going to present another video to you about the same situation. Viewer discretion is advised for this video. Observe.
Yeah, come on, try we are.
Watch out. Be ready. Yeah, be ready. Be ready. And this one. Be ready. Watch out. Officer Wicked. Go Wicked. Watch there. Watch there.
Boy, you're wicked now. Watch over there, sir.
Hold on, there's more than the people, because apart from law enforcers working together in order to detain a person, when I look at the video, I saw that there was at least 2 law enforcers somewhat close to a person. I understand that some words have been said. I'm going to present to you pieces of videos that are going to show some things that happened when law enforcers work together in order to restrain a person viewing subscribers. Yeah, these pieces of videos also have been recorded within the country of Jamaica. Viewer discretion is advised for these pieces of videos. Observe.
Yeah, man. Them things are going on Jamaica. Them police are Andrew for protect we. See them there? Yeah, man. Them police are Andrew for protect we. Yeah, man. Cause the man a pass and see them arrest a man. Arrest a man, not even arrest him. Arrest a man. And see that the man talk. Cause I thought the man see him talk, you know. And see that the man pepper spray the man. I jar the man, I'll shoot down the man that are ground. Yeah, man. We're not on the right again. Yes, sir. And them things we have vote for. See that? And them things we not vote for. I'm not voting on them things we not vote for. Yeah, man. Them police who tell it here. See that? See that? There's too much of them. You saw them at the youth, man. Look for the man here at ground. Yeah, man. I police them. Yeah, man. Police them. See that? See that? I police them. Kill him. Kill him, because that's no one do. I shoot too much people out there. Kill him. Yo, hey. See that? Yes, so police are the man like him and a body. See that? See that? I police them here when say I protect we. Yeah, man. I protect and serve force this. See that? Worse than the bomb gunman them.
Yeah, man, look how them deal with the people them. Hear me now?
Yeah, man.
In the come, deal with the justice.
Yeah, man. Police them here.
See how them deal with mankind.
Yeah, man, because freedom of speech illegal. That I believe now.
See how them deal with mankind.
Yeah, man. Shoot down the man all that are ground. Cause of what? Cause them ego hurt. Yeah, man. Oh. Nobody said him not threat. Shoot him. Shoot him. Nobody tell him say we're not gonna shoot him. Shoot him. Shoot him. I'm gonna threat him. I'm gonna get the people them way. Get the car them way. Get the car them way. I'm for wait too. You know, that's something so them do with the man. You see I'm in the grave in a fire. Yeah, man. Just because the man talk, the man not do. They have to go sit down in the car and friend them pepper spray and blood. Yeah, man. Yeah, man, see them? See him there? Him friend them a pepper spray the man and pepper spray and blood. I forgot sit down. Yeah, man. You know we jelly back. You know. Yeah, man. Cause we don't have no right. Yeah, man. Oh, the badge number there. On the camera them on our way. What you buy them for? Yo, put them on the car. No, you can't park in the car. Go down on the car. Right now, the man. Can't park in the car.
What's the tour?
Back up. You carry them somewhere. See, they can't go so.
Watch how them are doing the man. Watch how them are doing the man.
Look how them are doing the man, daughter.
Go there.
So, my people, a whole lot of things happen different places within the country of Jamaica. So I presented to you pieces of videos that show some things that happened when law enforcers work together in order to detain a person. And I also presented to you pieces of videos that show some things that happened when law enforcers work together in order to restrain a person during subscribers. Eventually, that person had been placed in handcuff during subscribers. The person's hands had been placed in handcuff. And he set away his in. So I'm not sure what exactly might have caused those types of situations where police held on to those persons, but it happened. And I got the understanding from pieces of videos that there are persons who disagree with the actions of law enforcers or the police, as well some people might say so. Leave a comment or comments, let me know what you think of the people. And if you're new to my channel, click the subscribe button and click the notification bell so that you can be notified whenever I post a video. Remember to click all. The next video that I'm going to present to you is going to show some things that happened when a motor vehicle that was being operated by someone collided with a police service motor vehicle that was being operated by someone. This video I recorded within the country of Jamaica during subscribers, and the situation look away. Anyways, let me present the video to you, and based on what you're about to see in this video, leave a comment or comments to let me know who you think was in the wrong. Viewer discretion is advised for this video. Observe.
Yeah. Hell, them not even free. Money, my man.
So the police service motor vehicle. Look at
this. Boom, let the police car. Boom, you know, see the flashing light.
Okay, so my people, this is the thing now that I've been thinking. Hold on. Because that incident or the accident happened at an intersection, my people. See? So, based on the angle that the motor vehicle was coming from, which in more people pay attention to the type of motor vehicle that was involved in the incident, you know. So, so based on the angle where that motor vehicle had come from, your subscribers, and based on how there was a motor vehicle that was at a certain spot, I was wondering if that motorist who was operating that motor vehicle was able to get some form of understanding that there was a police service motor vehicle about to go through the intersection. That may have tried to wonder. So may I also notice that the siren was on and the lights on the top of the police service motor vehicle that flashed. My people, in my point of view, I do not think that the person who was operating the other motor vehicle is going to get the right. No, I think that person is going to be seen as at fault when it comes down to the situation. But you can leave your comment and comments, let me know what you think. See, that is just my opinion. You can leave your comment and comments, let me know what you think. See, my people. So I'm going to present another video to you, my viewers and subscribers. I'm going to notice that all of the videos that I presented to you shows at least one motor vehicle with that type of marking on it. I'm going to take notice of the license plate them too. This video that I'm about to present to you is going to show some things that happened at the scene of an accident that happened at a location within the country of Jamaica, which resulted in at least one motor vehicle hitting a fence wall, and certain things had been damaged. Now my people notice I said at least, because I didn't get certain confirmed information to determine certain things that might have happened. But the video shows at least 2 motor vehicles in a position that made me assume as to what might have happened viewing subscribers. Me also see a person laying down to viewing subscribers. That's another thing again. Me I wonder if anyone had been injured, because I did not get any confirmed information to determine about any injury or anything like that. See? And one of the things that caught my attention is the position of the motor vehicle when we see in the video. The position of one of the motor vehicles when we see in the video. My people. Again, I'm not sure how that whole situation or incident happened. But it look away. Oh, and I'm not sure how many motor vehicles might have been involved in the incident also. Viewer discretion is advised for this video. Observe. Anyways, here's where I'm going to leave it. So if you're new to my channel, click the subscribe button and click the notification bell so that you can be notified whenever I post a video. Remember to click all, and until the next time, my name is Dancehall Skilla. Big up.
Hey, my youth, you know what I watch?
Dancehall skilla.